So students, to find sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, you know that this is a unit circle and these are x-axis and y-axis. So unit circle means the radius is 1. So this radius is 1 unit. And we know that any coordinate we can write with xy, and if this angle is theta, then we can always write these coordinates in the form of theta. Yes, tell me, how will you write it in terms of theta? X coordinate will
Cos
be
theta sin theta.
Cos theta sin theta.
cos theta sin theta. So you can also remember it like this, like x, y. So C comes first and then comes S. This is also one of the ways. So this side is x equals to cos theta because hypotenuse is 1, and this side is y equals to sin theta. Now if you look at this figure, so this is my point P whose coordinates are cos theta sin theta. So I have moved angle theta, and now from this side also I have moved angle theta. So obviously this angle will be 90 degree minus theta, right? So what will the coordinates of this point? Cos theta sin theta. So now theta becomes 90 minus theta. So these are the coordinates. Yes. Now second thing is,
Yes.
let us look at these lengths. This length is sin theta and this length is cos theta. Now what about this length? See, these two triangles are congruent triangles, and the side opposite to theta here is sin theta. So side opposite to theta is sin theta. So this side is your sin theta, and the side adjacent to theta, so this side adjacent to theta is your, like it is cos theta. So because both the triangles are congruent, so their corresponding parts will be equal. So you can see that the coordinates of this point, xy coordinate means sin theta cos theta. So these will be the coordinates according to this length. So this is this x sin theta and this y. So it means that from this way the coordinates are this, and by congruent triangles when we have measured the length, actual length, so that is sin theta cos theta. So it means that cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta, and sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. So here this line you see y equals to x. So this P dash, this point is the image of P under the reflection in the line y equals to x. So this is the mathematical way of saying that these are the points P dash and P, and this is the line y equals to x. So if this has coordinates cos theta sin theta, then the image P dash is the image of P under a reflection in the line y equals to x. So reflection means the x coordinate will become y coordinates and y coordinates will become x coordinates. So the coordinates of this will be sin theta cos theta. So this is the meaning of image under a reflection. So under a reflection means the x and y coordinates will be interchanged. So I hope you have understood this. Now we will be finding out.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please explain that once again.
Yes, sorry.
Explain that topic once again.
Explain. You want me to explain again what I have told?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, beta, it is available on the video also. It is being recorded and it will be uploaded on the YouTube also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And doesn't matter, the things will be repeated. Okay. I will repeat it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you can watch the video also. So now students will be finding, as you know that we make a table that sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degrees, and sine cos values we put. So how have we got these values? So how have we found these values? This is we are deriving and finding the values. So student, this is a unit circle and I have started moving this arm from here to here and I have reached such a point that you have got an isosceles triangle here. So this side is A and this also A. So this is isosceles right angle triangle. So both the angles will be 45 and these coordinates are same, AA. So obviously here at this point, if you find cos 45 degree, so if this is A, what will be the length of this? See, this is a triangle, isosceles right angle triangle. This side is 1, this is A, this is A. So A square plus A square equals to 1, 2A square equals to 1, A square equals to 1 by 2, and A equals to 1 by root 2. So it means these two sides are 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Now this angle is 45 degree. Now open Adam, open, hurry, Adam. Use this sine cos 10. So what will be the value of sine 45 degree? That is opposite side upon hypotenuse. What is opposite side to 45 degree? The opposite side is 1 by root 2. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 1. So 1 by root 2 upon 1 is 1 by root 2. And you know that here sine theta is equals to cos theta. Sine 45, cos 45, sorry. So cos 45 and sine 45 and both are same, both equal to A. So that's equals to A and that's equals to cos 45 degree also, isn't it? So cos 45 is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 upon 1 is this. So we have found these values at 45 degree, 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Now let us find the values for 30 degree and 60 degree. And if you want to find the values for the 0 and 90, see what are the coordinates at this point. The coordinates are 1, 0. So coordinates are cos theta, sin theta. So here the coordinates are cos 0 because this angle is 0. So cos 0, sin 0. So cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. What about this angle is 90 degree? If this angle is 90 degree, so obviously this side will reach here, so the angle will be 90. So the coordinates of this point are, yes, x is 0 and y is 1. So that's cos 90 degree, sin 90 degree. So cos 90 is 0 and sin 90 is 1. So now we are left with 30 degree and 60 degree. So for 30 and 60 degree, we further move this initial arm and we rotate it by 60 degree. So when we rotate it by 60 degree, this side is 1 and this side will also be 1. You will get an equilateral triangle here. So in equilateral triangle, what will be the coordinates of this point? This is your equilateral triangle. This side is 1, this side is 1. So if we draw perpendicular bisector, this side will be half. Now if you take this triangle, this is half, this is 1. So what this side will be? Hypotenuse square minus this base square, and this will comes out to be 1 minus 1 by 4, and that is equal to under the root 3 by 4, and that is equals to root 3 by 2. So always remember that this is root 3 by 2, and if this is A, then this is root 3 by 2A. Okay students, so now we have this as root 3 by 2. So it means the y coordinate will be, so the x coordinate will be 1 by 2 and y coordinate will be root 3 by 2. But what are these coordinates? This angle is 60 degree. So cos 60 comma sin 60 degree. So it means cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Now we have 30 degree also here students. This angle is 30 degree. So we can find sin 30 degree. So sin 30 is opposite upon hypotenuse. What's opposite side here? Opposite 1 by 2. What is hypotenuse? 1. So sin 30 will be equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. What will be cos 60 degree? Cos 60 is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side to 30 degree? That's root 3 by 2 divided by hypotenuse 1. So cos 60 will be root 3 by 2. So this way we have completed this table. And now want to find the value of tan theta, that is sin theta upon cos theta. So this divided by this, so 0 upon 1 is 0, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3, so they are same, cancels out, root 3 by 2, so 2 will and this will be left. Now 1 upon 0 is not defined, it's such a big number that this we represent it with the symbol infinity. So students, this is how we have made this table. Okay, any problems students?
No, sir.
Good. So if we plot the value of 45 degree, that is multiples of 45, what do we get? So these are all the multiples of 45. And we know that sine 45 is equals to 1 by root 2 and cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. So this is nothing but cos 45 sine 45. So student, this is 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. So this is a square that you have. Okay. Now this length is 1 by root 2 and this length is 1 by root 2. So this length will also be same. This length will also be same 1 by root 2 and this length will again be the same 1 by root 2. But now if when we go towards this side, this negative x-axis, so this length will be minus 1 by root 2, and when we go down towards minus y, this is minus 1 by root 2. So that is why these coordinates, because this x is minus 1 by root 2, so that is why it will be minus 1 by root 2, and y coordinate is still positive. But here both the x coordinate and y coordinate both are, this x coordinate and y both are negative. So that is why we have negative here. So here students, which one is negative? Which coordinate at this point? Yes. Yes. X is positive and y is negative. So can we plot this or not? Can we plot these coordinates? Yes or no? Students, can you hear me?
Yes.
So what is the problem do we have in plotting these points? This is a point which is 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Okay, as simple as that. Now so this length is 1 by root 2. This length is also 1 by root 2. This length is minus 1 by root 2. This location, this and this location is again minus 1 by root 2. So what are the coordinates of this point? Tell me. What are the coordinates of this point?
Sir, why this line made be 1 by root 2?
Yes, x is this. So x coordinate, right? First x coordinate, then y coordinate. So minus 1 by root 2 and root 2. What are the coordinates of this point?
Minus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2.
So
Two minus 1 by root 2.
What are y coordinates?
Minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by root 2.
Minus 1 by root 2.
What are the coordinates of this point?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2
So x
minus
By
1
root
by
2
root
minus
2.
1 by
1 by root
1 by root 2.
and then y coordinate you will move to reach this point.
minus 1 by
Minus
root
1 by root 2.
Minus
Minus 1 by root.
This is what you need to plot. Now if this angle is 45 degree, and what are the coordinates of this point? This is 0, 1, we already know it. Now this 45, this is again plus 45, and this again adding 45, again you are adding 45, again you are adding 45, again you are adding 45, and here also again you are adding 45, and here again you are adding 45 degree. Okay, so and these angles, you know, this is cos theta sine theta. So let us write the values for sine theta and cos theta. So this is sine and this is cos. Okay. And what's the value of theta? So if theta is 45 degree, what is the value of sine theta? 1 by root 2. What is the
1 by
value of
root
cos
2.
theta? 1 by root 2. Then we reach here 45 and then 45 plus 90. 135 degree, right? You can call it 3 pi by 4 also. 3 pi by 4 radian is equals to 135 degree. So that's equals to, what are these values? Cos is minus 1 by root 2 and sine is 1 by root 2. Okay. Now what are the values for, again add 90 degree to 135. So what do you get? 2 to 5 degree, and we say it 5 by 4. 5 pi by 4 radians. So what will be these values? This one, both negative, minus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. Again add 90 degree to it. So what do you get?
315.
Students, are we so yes, what do we get? Again adding 90 to it, or you can subtract 360 minus 45, that's the same thing. So 225 degree plus 90, or you can do 360 minus 45. So what do you get? 315 degrees,
315.
and 315 we can write as 7 pi by 4. So it's pi by 4, then 2 pi by 4 will be 90 degree, right? So pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. And what will the value of sine 315 degree? Yes? Yes?
1
Minus
1 by root 2
1
and
by root
minus
2.
1 by root.
And cos 315 degree, 1 by root 2. Okay, so students, you can see one more thing, that in this, and what will be the values of 10? 10 also we can find. Yes, come on. See, both are same. It's so easy to find 10. So 10 45 will be 1. One of them is negative. It means you will be getting negative. Both are negative.
Positive value.
Positive.
One is negative. You are dividing.
Negative value.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
So you have found the values, right? So students, tell me, in the first quadrant, so that's your first quadrant. This is your quadrant 1. So this is your first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, this is your third quadrant, this is your fourth quadrant. So this quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. So quadrant 4 is 0 to 90 degree, and then 90 to 180 is second quadrant, then 180 to 270 is third quadrant, and 270 degree to 360 degree is your fourth quadrant. So in first quadrant, tell me all these values, and you know that cosine is inverse of this, secant, sorry. So cosecant theta is 1 by sine theta, secant is 1 by cos theta, and cot is 1 by tan theta. So it means the sine of cosecant theta and sine is same, secant and cos is same, cot and tan is same. Okay. Now tell me that the values of all the values are positive in the first quadrant, all positive. Yes. All the values are
Yes, sir.
positive or not in the first
Yes, sir.
quadrant? Sign
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Which values are positive in the second quadrant?
Sir, sign values.
Sign.
In values.
Sign values. So cos is negative, tan is negative.
Negative.
Now what about third quadrant? Which
Sir,
value
10
is
is
Tan
positive?
positive.
value.
10 is
10.
positive.
10 is positive.
Now which value is positive in the fourth quadrant?
Sir, cos values.
Sine.
Cos.
Cos. So students, we have reached this, that here all values are positive. So you can just remember it like this: after school to college. Okay. So all values positive, sine value positive, tan values positive, and cos values positive in this quadrant. So that's the way how you can remember that. So all of you are going to colleges, right? Students, this let me tell you that this 11th and 12th class, this is one package. The journey starts from beginning of 11th class and the journey ends at the end of 12th class. So don't consider these two classes separate, 11th and 12th. This is one complete course. When you will be going to colleges, now the scheme is changed. You will have a written test to get admission in the college, plus the marks of 12th will also be considered. So you need to give written test to get admission in the college. So in that written test also you will have the syllabus of 11th and 12th. First point. Second point, you will be appearing for IIT main or NEET, science students. So then again there will be syllabus of 11th and 12th. So students, that is why I am telling you 11th and 12th, assume that your 12th class has started. So you have to, and the third point is that this 11th class is the base for the 12th class. So just like nursery and KG. So if we do nursery class properly, we know all the alphabets. There will be new alphabets of all the subjects in class 11. So that is why 11th class looks somewhat difficult, because we are flooded with lot of new terms, new concepts, new things. Why we are teaching you new things? Because you people have chosen these particular subjects, that I want to this particular stream I have chosen, this particular subjects I have chosen, and I want to study these subjects in depth, and I want to know more about these subjects. So more you know, easier will be the subjects. So you should be, if you really want to make these subjects easier, you need to learn new concepts. More knowledgeable you are supposed to be, then only the subjects will be easier. So students, this is the now base. So assume this 11th class. So just as nursery, you are learning alphabets, new terms, new ways, and then like in KG, you just, you write 3-letter words, 4-letter words, 5-letter words like cat, rat, and so that thing will be there in 12th class. So if you don't know the alphabets properly, how will you be able to do 12th class well with complete understanding? So remember my words, okay? And now you have a big advantage that you people have the videos again with you. So this video, the videos that you need to watch this again, these videos again in your, even in your lifetime. How these relations are derived. Nobody is going to teach you these things. And you will not find the things like I am teaching you in books also. In any of the book you will not find these things. Okay? So this is the base. How we have reached up to this point, up to this journey. Now similarly, let us we can similarly plot the values for the multiples of 30 degree and 60 degree also. Now look here. Obviously these points lie on the unit circle. So cos theta, sin theta are my coordinates, and this length I've already, in the last figure I've already drawn these. So this is 30 degree, and this is 60 degree, and this is again 30. So tell me students, what is the value of cos 30, sin 30?
1/2.
Sin 30
Root 3
is
by
1
2
by
and
2,
1 by
and
2.
cos 30 is,
Root 3 by
Under root 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
2/2.
so it means this length is root 3 by 2, and this length is 1 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
So x, yes, this, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this line will be somewhere here also, this 60 degree angle, students, not here. So here, which points do you have? So just a reflection in xy line.
Cos 60 sin.
So coordinates will be interchanged. So 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. So just a reflection of it. Is this clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these two we have plotted. So again, now, so reflection of this is this. Now see, this and this, these values, what is the difference? This will remain, this length is root 3 by 2, but this length will become minus 1 by 2. So that is why minus 1 by 2 here and root 3 by 2 here, because x is positive. Okay.
But here we have cos equal to root 3 by 2. No?
So this is cos, this is sine. This is here, this 30 degree this side, this 30 degree this side. So the angle here will be this angle will be cos 330 degree and sine 330 degree. These values. And these values will be what? Cos 300 degree and sine 300 degree. Right, students? So like we have these values are interchanged, so here also they will be interchanged. And now going back to this side, see, the lengths are same. The length will be the same, only the sign will change. So this is positive at this side, but if we go this side, this will be minus x. But as both of them are on the positive side, why is positive for both of them? Here also x will become negative, so this value will become a negative. Okay, so these are all multiples of 30. 30, then 30, then 30, then 30. So students, you can easily, so keep on moving, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30 and 30. So you can easily draw this diagram. This is very easy. I hope you can draw it quite comfortably. Yes. And ultimately, if we combine both these diagrams, so you have found that you can draw this figure. Okay, so 30 degree, and then so this you can write as 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Okay students, so you just change it out. Okay, so this is minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Can you do it yourself? Yes, minus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2, and this one 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. So students, as I will be posting this on videos on YouTube, so draw this ultimate unit circle. Okay, so it has all the values that you need. Okay students, that's all for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for being with me.